Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to improve our code using PHP Directive. So let me show you one example. So you can see that I have a users table. With that users table I have amount column like $1,000, $500, $300. At the end I am just displaying total number of amount. Okay, so let me show you and let me show you the blade file code. So what I did, so you can see that in the controller simply I get all the users and pass to the blade file. Okay, so inside that blade file you can see that I simply declare like a total amount. Okay, you can see that, and inside the for each loop I simply like what I did, like total amount and plus like user amount. Okay, so at the end I will get the total number of amount. So this code is working fine, and we don't have any issue with that. But Laravel provide the PHP directive, so you don't have to use start curly bracket and start close and all the things. So let me use that one. Okay, so let me simply do that, PHP and and PHP. That means we declare the total amount with the zero. Okay, and here also same thing we can use, the PHP and and PHP attribute. Okay, so let me save it and let me run it. You can see that it's work like 1800. Okay, so it's working perfectly. So you can use the PHP directly like this way. So also let me show you another short code. So you can see this is 3 lines, so let me make it 1 line. So let me go here and let me define like total amount equal to 0. So you don't have to add the attribute and all the things. So same thing here, I can use directly the PHP, and inside that I'm going to total amount equal to dollar total amount plus user amount. So you don't have to write like start PHP attribute and end, so you can directly use with the single line. Okay, so let me just make it clear and let me run it. Yeah, you can see that it much clear, and you can see that much clear the code. So I hope it can help you. Thank you for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe us. Thank you so much.